Hello friends, welcome to chess training. Myself Nikhil Joshi welcomes you to Live Chessbook Academy. In this video, we are going to see some examples as how to find a checkmate in one move. So let us begin with the checkmate of king and queen. So here it was white's chance to play. White plays the move queen here. Now you see what we have done. Our queen is attacking this square and this square, and now the black king cannot capture the queen. Remember, our queen is supported by the king. There is one thing we must understand always is if the piece is supported, that is there is some help to it, then the king cannot capture it, otherwise the king will get into the check. Now in this example, white observed that his pawn is controlling these two squares, and where are the squares for the black king? It is this square where he is standing, then this one and this one. So the queen goes from behind and traps him in one move. When we are trying to search a checkmate, always try to figure out where are the squares available for the king to run. So in this example, again I think we have seen this one. Okay, this example, it is white to play. So white brings it, see what white observes is black king has got these two squares and these two squares. So he brings his queen here and traps the king. There is support of the white king. The next example now. In this example, our pawns is controlling this square and this square. This pawn is supported by the king and this square is also controlled by the white king. Remember friends, two kings cannot go near to each other in chess. So where are the squares for the black king available? 1, 2, 3. So our queen attacks that diagonal and traps the king. Now in this position, let us see where are the squares available. White to play, our rook is controlling the 7th rank and our queen is controlling the 5th rank. So practically speaking, there is no square available for the black king to move anywhere. So he puts the queen here, and as he puts the queen here, now we can see that the black king is left with no squares to move. He cannot play king takes queen because of the pawn. In this next example, it is white to play. The bishop is controlling these two squares. So where are the squares for the black king? 1, 2, 3. So we play queen f6 and we trap him. In this example, it is black to play. Black observes that my queen is controlling this square. So he tries to bring the queen here, but this time, is it a checkmate? No, it's not a mate because this queen can come and block the check. Now friends, let us see some examples where we trap the enemy king using our pawn. In this example, it is white to play. As we can observe, our rook is controlling the 7th line. And our king is supporting this square, controlling this one and this one. Our pawn is controlling this h6 square. So we push the pawn and we give a check. As we can see, there is no square for the enemy king to move. So check and mate. In this example, it is black's chance to play. Black brings his pawn forward with the support of king and traps the white king. Now white to play, as we can see, our bishop is controlling these two squares and our king is controlling these three. So we push the pawn and trap the king. In this situation, it is white to play. Our rook is controlling the 8th rank. So we push the pawn one step forward, and as we push the pawn one step forward, we trap the enemy king. Now in this example it is white to play. So as we can see, our bishop is controlling this line and this bishop is controlling this square and this square. So we push the pawn forward with the support of our bishop. As we can see, after this there is no square for the black king to run anywhere. So friends, these are some of the examples of how to figure out a checkmate in one move. So if you are liking my videos, please press the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.